On the 21st of April, Brendan Phelan's herd, based at Kilmacow on the Kilkenny-Waterford border, were milking 24 litres per day at 4.6% fat and 3.31% protein, or 1.88 kilos of milk solids per cow. The herd produced 508 kilos of milk solids per cow last year, with an average protein of 3.83%. Brendan has been crossbreeding for over 10 years, initially with Brown Swiss, but now with Jerseys. A significant proportion of his herd is now crossbred, and this is really showing through in the herd's fertility and milk solids performance. The average EBI of this year's team of bulls is €367, with €111 for milk and €260 for fertility. The average EBI of Brendan's herd is €183.